Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. In this new working video guys, we're actually going to show you 5 different websites or 5 freelancing websites that you can go and start making a gigs and start making money for yourself guys. So if you are new to this channel, which is online how the right place, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing videos you guys, I'm gonna implement what I'm gonna show you. So that further review, let's straight to the video. So the very first website I'm gonna show you guys is actually legit. I know not a lot of people know legit, and you know it. I don't think so. Let's see how many views or visits per month it gets on the similar way. Let's just load up. So as you can see, it gets over 280,000 visits per month. So you can see it has a lot of views or visitors. So it's all the same with I think fiverr.com and etc. So as you can see here, you can come and register and actually post your gigs at the same time. You can see this one said 5 creative logo concept for get your own branding concept right now. So he's selling for $10 and he's level 4 seller, and he's made over 654 sales. That means he make a lot of money using his gig. So as you can see, once you scroll down, you can be able to see all the other categories that you can promote, or you can all call over to where they say SEO. You can click on backlink, guys posts and etc. Here are all what you can be able to give like copywriting, translating, blog posts and etc. Underground, there are a lot of gigs that you can be able to promote. As you can see, or there are a lot of categories that you can use to start making money on legit. So the very second first website is guys actually Fiverr. You know, Fiverr is one of the best freelancing websites out right now there. So let's actually see on SimilarWeb how many search it gets. So as you can see, it gets over 62 million review, or I should say 62 million search. So it's one of the high ranking website under freelancing, where you can be able to actually post your gigs, so that once somebody buy, you will be able to work or finish the work and give it time, he will send you the money. So as you can see, there are a lot of pro verified Fiverr. This one is actually selling his gift for 100%. He actually make 4 cents. That means he made over 400 US and etc. You can see a lot of gigs here. You can be able to come here up and search for whatever gig you like. So now what I like about Fiverr, once you scroll down, you can see the way they say affiliate program. Once you click on affiliate program, they will actually pop up this window where you can be able to promote Fiverr gigs and earn passive income. So let's come on commission plan and show you something. So Fiverr said, Fiverr CPO, once you start promoting, you can get up to 15 to 150 dollars in CPA. So actually let's see, here is the Fiverr CPA commission. Once you promote Fiverr Pro, that means like this one that you are seeing, this gig, once you promote one of them, you can make all over. So let us load up. You can make all over from 50 from 150 to $15 guys. As you can see on this second, you can be able to if you promote industrial products, you can make over $50 and etc. As you can see here are the commission plan for the Fiverr. You can go and check out it if you are interested. So the very third website I'm going to show you guys is freelancer.com. Even this website is one of the best websites that freelancer use out there. So let's see how many search it gets per month. So as you can see, it gets over 6 million visits per month. So it's one of the best because Fiverr is one of the best one, is best, and it gets more search. As you can see, it's all the same. You can come there and post your gig and actually wait for buyers to, once you find your gig, they purchase, then you can go there and start working. So here are a bunch of categories that freelancer.com have that will allow you to create post or create gig and etc. So guys, if you guys get some values from it, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I drop a new video guys, you'll be the next person to watch, next person to implement what I'm gonna show. So let's move straight to the fourth website, which is peopleperhour.com. I know a lot of people know what peopleperhour.com is. All like the same, those tattoo website, which is Fiverr, Legit, Freelancers, and here is the fourth one, which is peopleperhour.com. So it's all the same. You can be able to come and start searching gigs for all you may like. Here you can be able to search for it. As you can see, here is the one. Let's say senior copywriter is ready to pay $59 and etc. But come and start posting your gigs, so that once somebody see it and he like it, then he is gonna purchase and you're gonna go and start working. So I don't think it has affiliate, but it has the way you can be able to go and sign off and start promoting and start creating your gig and start boosting or getting earning. So the very last website, which is the fifth website, is called Upwork. I know a lot of people know Upwork and know how it works. So those who doesn't know, Upwork is the freelancing website that you can be able to come and hire and get hired here. So here is how actually it is. So trusted by Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy, and Visa. So here are the top of the companies that verified Upwork. So once you scroll down, you can be able to see top skills that are trending, data entry and etc., JavaScript, whatever it is. So once you scroll down, you can see for client and for talented resources and company, you can be able to join their affiliate program. So let's see how their affiliate program look. So let's click on it. So boom, as you can see, they say recommended Upwork earns commission. So as an Upwork affiliate, you can bring value to our customer by sharing in our mission to create economic opportunity so people have better lives. So once you click on start earning, it will be able. So as you can see, Upwork has been connected to the impact, so that once somebody is trying to join the affiliate program, so they can go to impact and apply. So it's not direct. So as you can see there, you can put in your email address, first name, last name, confirm your email address, username, password, confirm your password, account display, username that you like, your website, or even if you doesn't have a website that you can go to, copy even your YouTube channels and paste it there. So your street code and etc., putting everything that they need. So they said here as the plan registration 0.0, but the new client 70%. If you refer some client just for sale, you can get up to 70%. Net payout per order is over 150, and click on sign up and get sign up. So here we come to the end of this video guys. Please, if you get some value in this video, please like our video, subscribe to the channel. If you feel I make a mistake, please comment down below. I have to repair something and etc. So thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video guys.